Hey everybody, this is Joshua Sherman, Realtor at Realty Group with RE/MAX Trinity, with another Tuesday tip on how to sell your home faster and for more money. Today's tip, we're going to be tackling major repairs. In this current climate of full disclosure and professional intense inspections, the rule of thumb is treat the buyer the way that you would treat yourself. If there is a major repair needed to be done and you know about it, go ahead and fix it, or at least offer the buyer a credit so they can fix it after closing. However, the most important thing is to disclose it. Full disclosure is one of the laws that surround a real estate contract, and you don't want to be caught in a legal battle forgetting or neglecting to disclose something that needs to be repaired. So, if there's a major system that needs to be repaired, go ahead and repair it, or at least be prepared to negotiate with the buyers to fix it themselves after closing. But more importantly, treat the buyer the way that you would like to be treated as well. Eventually, you'll be buying a home again too. This has been your Tuesday tip on how to sell your home faster and for more money. We'll see you next week.